Jay. Mixed the soft with the hard and made a parfait. Sipping on some red while getting hit by the fireplace. My little nigga ran off with an egg, we in a car chase. Militant with this AR pistol, I drop a fly. Me and Rio drink some pints of
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy 5 Women Kid, back with another banger, man. What we doing? Out here with 508, yeah. I keep saying out here because we're really out here, bro. Like, who else is out here? We active, bro. You feel that, bro? Yo, you guys do not understand how cold it is. Like, my hands are numb. I can't really record us riding on the street because I don't want to fall, but I'm trying my best, man. Bro, oh, chill, what is that? A whole brick? Bro, let's spin in the back with this. Oh, shit! I'm recording it. Hey! What in? That shit was wet. Yo, E-Books fell! His bike was on the ground! That nigga E-Books! Ah! Oh, this windy is a bitch! Oh, ass! What happened? Bro, I just fucking fell. Bro, go right there in the middle of this shit. We're going right on the bridge. Oh, shit. Fell. Huh? What up? Oh! What happened? Bro, I was right here. I was downshifting while braking to go right here. And I was like, wormo. Nigga, you gotta. Y'all niggas fucking it up. You need that torch in the garage, and they're gonna bend that bitch back.
bitch ain't never through pain. Through the storm, by the drip, pouring rain. Cross side with a bitch I paid. I lost track of my levels of trains.